the vast majority of cases, personal injury cases, dealt with by law firms in this country. I think it's about 1 million a year are dealt with. Probably 800,000 of those are going to be dealt with by 10 or 20 law firms who really don't know who you are. And they'll probably deal with most of them pretty well. But if you're one of the people who, for some reason or the other, don't quite fall into those categories that they have, you can end up missing out. We've got one at the moment, we've got a chap, because we've got to know him, I know that there's something wrong with this guy. He's had a traumatic brain injury. But none of the medical evidence said he's had a traumatic brain injury. Because I know him, and because I knew him and I've taken the time to get to know him, I thought, he's just not right. I spoke to his wife, and his wife said he's just not the same guy as he was before he was run over. Cut long story short, 12 months later, we finally got a neuropsychologist to confirm that he's got a traumatic brain injury. But if that had been affirmed somewhere where you've been dealt with by a lawyer that's 100 miles away, didn't know you before, never spoken to your wife, they'd never have found that out. And they'd be going back to him and saying, look, here's the medical evidence that says there's nothing wrong with you from a brain injury perspective. And this is massive on his claim. It's massive. You know, we're talking hundreds of thousands of pounds worth of difference. And that's the conversation he'd currently be having if he'd gone somewhere else. So that makes me feel good that, you know, I've got a case where somebody that we've taken the time to get to know the family, understand these problems. It's actually very, very pointedly shown how that can benefit the client and how it can make sure that people don't end up being having their cases undersettled.